Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll solve exercise 30.1. So here question number 1. Question number 1 says f such that x into 4x plus 3. So here this function can be written as f of x equal to 4x plus 3. Now the question asks find f of 1. So here instead of x, if we substitute 1, then what will we get? So instead of x, we will write 1. So 4 into 1 plus 3. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 3 will be 7. And this is the answer of question number A. Now, question number B. Question number B says f of minus 2. F of minus 2 says 4 multiplied by minus 2. Instead of x, we will put minus 2 only. Plus 3. 4 into minus 2 will be minus 8 plus 3. That will be minus 5. Okay. Now, question number C. F of 0. F of 0 means instead of x, we will put 0. So 4 into 0 plus 3. 4 into 0, 0 plus 3 will be 3. And this is the solution of question number 1, A, B, C. Now, let's start question number 2. Question number 2 says, when g of x equal to 6 minus 2x, find g of 2. So here g of x equal to 6 minus 2x. Then g of 2 will be the question number A, 6 minus 2. Instead of x, we will put 2. Okay. So 6 minus 2 to the 4. Answer will be 2. Very simple one. Now question number B. B says g of minus 3. So here what will be the answer? 6 minus 2 into minus 3. Here we can write 6 minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. So 6 plus 6 will be 12. Now question number C. G of 0.5. So instead of x, we will put 0.5 right now. So 6 minus 2 multiplied by 0.5. So here 6 minus 2 into 0.5 means 5 by 10. So here we can easily cut 5 to the 10, 2 to the 1. So 6 minus 1 will be 5. Or we can write as 2 into 0.5, that will be 1. 6 minus 1, 5. Okay. So this is the solution of 2A, B and C. Now question number 3. 3 says h of x equal to x plus 6 by x. Now the question says find h of 3. So here we can write this one as instead of x we will put 3. So 3 plus 6 by 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 by 3 will be 3. Now question number B, h of minus 4. So here instead of x we will put minus 4. So minus 4 plus 6 by minus 4. Minus 4 plus 6 will be 2. So 2 by minus 4 will be minus 1 by 2. Now question number C. Question number C says h of 1 by 2. H of 1 by 2. So here instead of x we'll substitute 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 6 by 1 by 2. Here at numerator we can write that will be 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13 by 2. Half plus 6 or 6 plus half or 6 whole 1 by 2. All are same. So just convert 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13. Okay. Divided by 1 by 2. Now 13 divided by 2 multiplied by reciprocal of 1 by 2 will be 2 by 1. After cancelling 2 and 2, the final answer will be 13. And this is the solution of question number 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 says f of x equal to x square plus 7. So what will be f of 4? So instead of x, we'll put 4. So 4 square plus 7. 4 square represents 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7 will be 23. Simple. Now question number B. Question number B says f of minus 3. So instead of x, we will put minus 3. So minus 3 whole square plus 7. Minus square will be plus. So 3 square will be 9. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 will be 16. Okay, very simple one. Now question number C. F of 1 by 2. So here instead of x, we'll put 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square plus 7. 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 plus 7. So 7, 4 ja 28 plus 1, 28. Or we can write 7 whole 1 by 4. This is our final answer.